Some of people say, hey, they see me do this model, and then they see this thing off to the side, which is my purge object. And they say, hey, how did you do that? Or flushing object. And let me show you the settings on how to do this, because even though this may be all poo here, it's something that kids will still play with and can still give away to people. So let me show you the settings and how I do this. Really quite simple. So we got our capybara here in a donut, and so I want to make a copy of him. Okay, now these two I want, and then I'm going to make my purge object. So I'm going to clone him one more time. Okay, and I like to put the purge object close to the tower. And then it's just simply this. Right click, go down to flush options, flush into objects infill, and then do it again. Right click, flush options, flush into object, okay? Now, when I slice this thing is gonna be poo. Now there's another way to do this. If you go over here to the right, let me move my camera over here a little bit. And you see here it says process, global objects. If you go to objects, you can go to this object and go other, and you can select them here as well. This is the same settings as I just did with the right mouse click. Now after you do that, when we slice it, this is gonna end up being all poo. You can turn on fill into infill on these depending on what the color is. Because sometimes, let's say you have this dark brown goes into this light, you might see it through the outer layers. So you gotta be careful about it, but you can also put some of this poo into the infill of these two guys. And to do that, you just right click on them, flush, and you put objects infill. And then it will do it. Or you can do it, click on it here, go over here to the right, and the very top one here, flush into objects infill. Click that. And that's how you make a purge object.